Hi guys, this is Eugene. Today, we'll be working on a piece of flatiron. It's a popular grilling meat with an unbelievable value considering the price. In Korean cuisine, this is the one and only front leg portion allowed to be grilled. Let's roll! Just like with other commercial meats, we always start the trimming process by wiping out any debris or liquids using a paper towel. The flatiron is situated right atop of the front shank underneath the chop. Koreans call it a leaf meat or fan meat as the surface resembles the shape of those. It features just the right amount of the marbling with a tender texture along with beefy aroma. Aside from being a popular item for barbecue, it's also a popular item for hot pot or shabu-shabu. Although the flatiron only accounts for less than 10 pounds of the kettle, it's somehow traded cheaply regardless of the region. The part toward the chop features abundant marbling, while the part closer to the shank features a very thick tendon. Which portion you like depends on the personal preference. The tendon can easily be removed. We will first trim the fatty layer located outside the meat, then the thick fascia on the other side. The tendon removal is our grand finale before portioning. Let's start off by separating the fatty layer. The surface of the flatiron tends to go brown faster as it's located near the organs. You can always trim a little bit more of the surface to avoid it. Let's get to the fascia. This layer is pretty tough. Be sure the knife doesn't get too deep into it. We will cut it into two portions first, then the removal of the tendon by following this line. This is the surface of the part closer to the chop. It's juicy, tender, and chewy all in the one package. Tendon gets thicker now. Again, we will follow the line to separate it. Simply follow the yellow brick road. See the membrane between the tendon and meat? Cut it out as we've done on other cuts. Of course, let's make it nice and clean on the other side as well. And let's get to the bottom of the tendon. Believe it or not, this was the hardest work of the day. We can take on the rest blindfolded. I'm just saying. Oh, of course, don't forget to clean up the rest. By folding it back, we now have a tender, soft flatiron with no tendon. Let's get to the final trimming before slicing. Finally slicing. For Korean style cut it half the thickness of the regular steak. For the steak portion, slice it a bit thicker than the regular steak meat. As you can see, the marbling becomes more abundant as the pieces become thinner. To make it easier in slicing, place the opening towards your body. It looks better without the tendon, right? I'm taking out the ones that don't look right for the grilling. I hope you found the process rather easy this time. The tendon removal was a bit trickier to do than what it seemed. This is the step you can skip out on. If you wish to preserve the chewy texture right in the middle of the tender meats, my advice is to grill it a bit longer to make the tendon softer. Please don't forget to share your thoughts and feedback. I'm right here to answer all your questions. Yes, your subscription is like my protein. Thank you very much and see you soon.